G'day everyone, Scott here from One Green Thumb Gardening in Toowoomba. Just want to do a shout out to all my subscribers, followers, and anyone who drops me a line. I love to hear from you, and thank you again. Today I just wanted to talk about my Ego rotary tiller or rotary hoe. So basically I have the Ego multi-tool with the tiller attachment. Here in Toowoomba, Queensland, we've got this beautiful red soil, which is like a clay. So when she dries out, she's like a rock. So the tiller is not so useful for tilling up the soil, but it is wonderful as a weeder. So the tiller will go down about 1 to 2 centimeters and it will just get underneath that root system of the seedlings and it'll dig them all up, and then you can just spread them all out and leave those seedlings there for extra nutrients. Chuck some fertilizer on there, mulch over the top, and you've got a beautiful garden. Thank you very much for watching One Green Thumb Gardening. You have a beautiful day and I'll catch you next time. See ya. I also used Earthlife Breakdown to help kill the weed seeds.